Welcome back to another video on the legendary CJ channel. Today I will be telling everyone why I started my YouTube channel and also trying to make it as a Jamaican YouTuber. So please stay tuned in. First off, I started my YouTube channel because I saw it as a way as expressing myself, because as most of you would know that I am on Instagram, and I have a lot of Instagram followers. I have like over 70,000 Instagram followers, and I just decided to do YouTube because I know that that platform, I didn't want to confine myself to just Instagram, so I started YouTube. I started YouTube January the 1st, 2019, this year, and kind of sweet. Shit. Yeah, I'm kind of sweating, so sorry about the fun. It's kind of going to make it harder for you all to hear me, or you will hear some static in what I'm saying, but just bear with me. So yeah, YouTube, I saw it as a way of expressing myself because I always have a lot to say. My favorite artist, Tupac, if you can see it. So yeah, I have a lot to say, and I always wanted to help people, through giving advices and things like that. As you would see, I have already uploaded a video giving advices to parents as well as children, where parents should stop killing their kids' dream. That was like the second video I uploaded on my channel, if my memory serves me correctly. So yeah, basically I want to express myself. That's one. The second one was to basically help people, and when I say help people, I mean like as the advice videos, also spoken words, because I'm also a poet. I do poetry, that is life, so I want to express myself through doing poems as well. And like a lot of persons can relate to my poems. Like I did a spoken word, a kind of freestyle spoken word in a video I uploaded couple weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. It was actually it was as a result of a breakup that I had, and I just decided to do a video on that. Part 2 is coming out, but in due time you all will get to see it. And so yeah, a lot of persons said that they could relate to the spoken word video that I did the other day, especially the part where I said that you brought out the worst in me, got me facing miseries, no anniversary could ever be for you and me. So a lot of persons could relate to that line, or those two lines, and I'm glad that I could be of much help and support to my viewers. So yeah, and another reason for starting my YouTube channel is to have fun while making money. You know what I'm saying? Well, if I work hard enough, and put out a lot of videos, which I have not been doing recently, but I promise that I will be putting out a lot of videos in a couple of days. Yeah, but I believe in myself that I'll be able to reach the requirements of being paid on YouTube. Well, I'm already at 1,000 subscribers. Well, I passed 1,000 subscribers. All I need is 4,000 watched hours, and I believe that I am going to reach there soon. So yes, I want to have fun while making money. If you knew me well, you would understand that I do not like working for people. I do not like working for people. I hate the word job. You know, I took that out of my vocabulary, if you get what I'm saying. Job is just over broke, you know. It takes up too many time, or too much of my time, if you get what I'm saying. Take up too much of my time, and I'm not really in that. I want to build my dream, if you get what I'm saying. I always wanted to build my dream, and I'm so determined to build my dream that I'm even at university studying entrepreneurship. Well, it's 2 degrees, entrepreneurship and human resource management. So I'm studying those 2 degrees. So when I do leave college, I'll be well equipped to like go chase that bag even more, if you get what I'm saying, you know. So yeah, and to this fourth one now, like I just always have so many things to say. So putting that into video, I think would be very good for me. And as you all know, as I said, I started doing YouTube on January 1st, 2019. Well, actually I uploaded my video, the first video. Well, I was in this jacket on that day, and it's already at 2,000 something views. Yeah, I'm growing slowly but surely, and in just 1 month, I grew my subscribers to 1,000. I went from like 200 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers in just 1 month, and that is like a milestone for me, if you get what I'm saying. Yeah. And now, as of yesterday, the 18th of February, I am at 1.5k subscribers. So shout out to everyone that is supporting my grind. Yeah, I'm that Superman in the streets. You better go tell somebody, nigga. What I'm saying, go tell somebody. And yeah, I even have the stats right here on Social Blade, because yeah, I'm on Social Blade, verified on Social Blade. So one second. So this is as at the 18th of February, which was yesterday. Yeah, I'm ranked C on it. Before I was at D, now I'm at C. I'm going to be at B soon, then A, then A plus plus plus, if you get what I'm saying. So C, verified, 1,500 subscribers. Yeah, of course. I'm from Jamaica. Yardy, yeah. Yeah, right here it's saying that I started my channel 2000. Right here it's saying that I started my channel 2016, but actually I started posting on my channel this year. And yeah, I'm going up. Yeah, Social Blade was even kind enough to tell how much I would. Social Blade, they are even kind enough to tell me how much I would be making so far if my channel was monetized, which it will be soon, so please stay tuned in for that. Yeah, yeah, and these are my subscribers, like how many subscribers I get daily, if you can see. So yeah, just keep grinding with me. Just keep grinding with me because CJ have a whole lot to do, if you get what I'm saying, man. Can you see what I'm saying? I have a whole lot to do, and I just hope you all stay on the grind with me, because I'm going to tell you from now, my movement is going to take off. And if you're with me, you are with me. If you're not with me, then stay without me. But I'm going to blow up like the World Trade Center, nigga. Yeah. Yeah. Like now I have 1,518 subscribers as of now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is my YouTube channel. Yeah, this video reached 1.4k views. Just got 800, but I'm going up, you know, so please stay tuned in. And yeah, the other topic that I want to speak on is, like, I'm in Jamaica. A lot of persons know that I am from Jamaica. Yes, me a yardie. I come from Jamaica. Look for me, I'm full of style though. Them can't hold me. Look them. Don't know style.
Damn! Put your glasses back on.
Style. Shit. Full of swag. Full of swag. Yeah. Yeah, and trying to make it in Jamaica as a YouTuber is not easy at all, because a lot of persons keep asking me when I tell them, hey, go and subscribe to my channel, or they see that I'm promoting my channel, they are saying that you're doing YouTube, why are you doing YouTube? Like, the question they should be asking is, why should I not do YouTube in a time like this? Globalization has taken off. Social media has taken off. A lot of persons are making money online. I am in Jamaica, you know, it's a third world country. Why should I not do YouTube? Tell me, why should I not do YouTube? I'm already on Instagram, blowing up Instagram. All those niggas that be hating their girls are in my DM as we speak. You know, I try to be myself. They say that I am hype. Yeah. Yeah. As I was saying, I try to be myself and they say that I am hype. So if I do good, they are going to talk. If I don't do good, they are going to talk. So I just do my own thing. You know what I'm saying? I do my own thing. And trying to make it as a YouTuber in Jamaica is the hardest thing. Trying to get 1 subscriber in Jamaica is the hardest thing, because a lot of persons are going to say that, hey, you're following those overseas celebrities, this and that, but your very dressing is like those overseas celebrities. So why not allow me from the garrison. If you can see through that window, I am from Portmore. Even though it's the best city in Jamaica, it's still the garrison. And I am from there, and I want to get out of here. I want to go live up in the hills and shit. In the hills, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, allow me to be on my grind, and just, if you don't want to join my movement, watch my movement from afar. And then another time you can't see my movement because I'll be going so hard, unstoppable, runaway train, everything fence, every lane, like the world boss set himself, you know. So yeah, trying to make it in Jamaica as a YouTuber is the hardest thing, one of the hardest things, because what I understand, if my memory serves me correctly, it is the ones that are closest to me like really don't support my grind, you know. Like, I won't call any name, you get what I'm saying, but yeah, persons that are closest to you are persons that know you, they do not want to support you, because this is just one major thing. They're afraid of what you might become. Them know say me I go bust already, so make them go and try fight. Then can't stop me. Can't stop me. You get me? So they don't want to support my grind, and it's okay. I believe that not everyone will support your grind. Some persons are going to hate on you, things like that. But if they know me well, ask my friends that are left in my circle. My circle is like this. Yeah, ask those friends about me. It's through negativity, heartbreak, and pain that I rise. It's through that I rise. You know? Heartbreak. I start my YouTube channel because of heartbreak. I resumed my clothing line because of heartbreak. Why I'm dressed like this? Look at me, look at me. Let me fix the camera. Because of heartbreak, I'm dressed like this. So my ex be wanting me back, and you ain't getting me back. You know what I'm saying?
Damn!
Yeah. And I want people to fight against me, because it's when you fight against me, it's when you tell me I can't do something, that's when I start to go harder. Like, a lot of persons unsubscribe from my channel, but I know that you are still watching my channel, and what I want you to do is like try and remember how many subscribers I had at the time that you unsubscribed from my channel, and now go on my channel and see how many subscribers I have. Alright, can you do that for me? Alright, nice boys, nice girls. Yeah, do that for me. I have so many things coming out. I have so many things to do in 2019. As I said, I am going to launch my clothing line. And even if I don't launch my clothing line 2019, 2020 is there, 2021 is there, 22, 23, 24, 25. No matter which year I'm going to launch my clothing line, but it is slated to be launched this year. God spare my life, you know. So I have so many things to do. As I said, launching my clothing line. I want to help a lot of persons, you know, like persons that want to start a YouTube channel but they are not motivated to start their YouTube channel. I want you to message me on Instagram at legendarycj, or you can have a business email in the description of my channel. It's legendarycjbusiness@gmail.com, and I want you all to send your queries there. Anything that you may want me to help you with, I'll do it. You know, as of now, I won't collect any money from anyone to do anything. I just want to help people to build their channel. I'm passionate about helping people to build their channel, to make it in life, things like that. Just join my movement. Just join my movement. My movement is called the Legendary Unstoppable Train, if you get what I'm saying. This is no stopping. We're busting through everything. Everything we're busting through, if you get what I'm saying. Yeah, so let me see. So as I was saying, please support my grind. You know? Yeah, and I want to say this to everyone that refused to help me. I thank you. Thank you. It is because of you guys that I'm actually putting out so much work. Yeah, I try to reach out to so many celebrities in Jamaica, like, hey, let's do a collaboration, let's do this, let's do that. I won't call any names. Some of them left me unseen. Yeah, left me unseen, and that's alright. I admire your grind. I want you to continue with your progress. Yeah, but one thing I got to tell you, do not waste any more of your time. If you're up in the night, write down a plan. Don't stop, because my movement is out to pass out everybody's movement that refused to help me out. But listen, I am helping out everyone that wanna be helped, if you get what I'm saying. I get a lot of messages on Instagram saying, like yesterday I got a message saying that someone, they want to be in my video, but unfortunately I'm in Jamaica, they're in United States. But yeah, they are even telling me to come to their town when me get a visa. Yeah, static. One thing I gotta say, static. There's just so many things I'm gonna do. As Tony Montana said, the world is yours. In this case, the world is mine. And I'm going to achieve as much as I want to achieve. I want income that, I don't want linear income. I don't want to be working in exchange of money. I don't work today, I don't get any money. I don't want that. I want residual income. I'm at home sitting down watching Netflix with Bay. This is my Bay. I'm watching Netflix with Bay, and money is just coming in. I don't have to do much work because I would have already put in the work before. Yeah, so just stay tuned in. The grind is just starting. The grind is just starting, you know. And as of yesterday, the 18th as well, I told you I'm hitting the figures. I reached 1.5k subscribers on YouTube as of yesterday, and as of yesterday as well, look where my subscribers are at, bro, girl. 75,000 followers on Instagram, bro. I'm kicking it. I'm kicking it, bro. I'm kicking it. Other of my friends will be watching this video and will be laughing like, damn, CJ. What's all of that for? Yeah, I know I gotta make it out of this. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I have adopted a new personality just for my YouTube channel. Well, everyone that associates themselves with me would know that I'm fun to be around. So I just want the world, you, to experience that as well, to see that side of me. You know what I'm saying? I just got my hair did by my aunt. Yeah, I have a line that runs across my head like this. Is because I had something wrapped around my hair to keep this down. You know what I'm saying? Look at me, look at me. Yeah, so I think that is the end of my video. So if you have watched my video this far, thank you all. If you did, message me on Instagram at legendarycj, and we'll have so much to talk about. So thank you all for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Okay? Yeah, damn. Dear ex-girlfriend, don't you see I'm getting cute? Shit. Look at that, look at that. Damn, man. Well, thank you all for watching, as I said. Look more.